So in Premiere Pro, if you're tired of clicking the blend modes here individually, for example, you would like to see the effect of using the light in blend mode or the screen blend mode, an easier way to browse through them is using the middle button of your mouse and then use the scroll button and you'll be able to browse through the available blend modes. This is also applicable in the other panels of Premiere Pro. Here, if you want to test out different LUTs, just use the middle button of your mouse and use the scroll button to scroll through the available LUTs in your library. If you're looking for free animated icons that you can use on your video editing projects, just go to this website. It's flaticon.com, and on the drop-down menu, just click animated icons. Then, for example, we're going to search for social media. For example, we're going to download this animated icon. Just click download and select GIF. Once you downloaded the file, drag it to your timeline. The only issue with this one is you can see a white background on the image. To remove that white background, just use the Ultra Key effect. Sometimes you could still see the white background left behind. On the settings, just select aggressive and some of those will be removed. In Premiere Pro, do you know that you could drag an image or a video to the program monitor and set this as an overlay? Insert it before or after, replace it. You can also select overwrite. In Premiere Pro, if you want to create proxies for your project to speed up your playback, just look for the video file, right-click, and then select proxy and then create proxies. This is the settings I use and you could also copy it. I use QuickTime for the format, and then for the preset, I use Uniform Low Resolution Proxy and then select OK. And then Media Encoder will open. And then from there, the proxy will be created. And then once you created the proxies, click this plus icon in the program monitor. Select this icon, the toggle proxies, and make sure you add that on your program monitor. And to toggle the proxies on and off, you just have to click this icon. For me, I created a shortcut for that. I assigned it to Shift plus P. You're missing out if you're not using Soundly in managing your sound effects. Once you drag your folder to Soundly, you can easily listen to the sound and you don't have to double click it. And I know that sometimes you don't need the full sound effects, you just need some parts of it. And you can specifically choose that part and drag it to Premiere Pro.
Should you please?
I was a logo designer before. Using a font manager helped me choose the appropriate typeface. And fast forward in video editing, I still use it to find appropriate typefaces for my projects. And this program is called Nexus Font. It's 100% free. And you could group the typefaces that you have since I know you have a lot.